Hey everyone. Before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to relax and focus on our breathing with a brief meditation. So sit up tall with your feet planted firmly on the ground and gently close your eyes and take a deep inhale through your nose. And exhale slowly, also through your nose. As you inhale slowly through your nose, feel your spine growing nice and tall. And as you exhale through your nose, maintain that length and space and feel your shoulders relax. On the next deep inhale, send the breath to any parts of your body that may be feeling a little tight today. And as you exhale slowly through your nose, feel that tension release as you continue growing taller. And let's take one final breath, inhaling deeply through your nose. And as you get to the top, hold your breath for a few seconds. And then exhale through your nose as slowly as you can, feeling a sense of calm and relaxation and peace. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. This multiple choice problem comes from the College Board. It's from section 4 of the SAT math test, which does allow calculators. And the problem says, in the figure above, what's the value of x? So give this problem a try, see what you can do. If you're not sure how to approach it, you can even take a guess. And in about a minute, we'll have a look at it together. All right, so this problem is asking us what the value of x is, and I can see in the drawing that I have three angles, and they're all equal to x. So one of the first things I like to do in problems is glance at the answer choices and see if there are any that I can immediately eliminate. That way, if I wasn't sure how to do the problem and I had to guess, then I'm improving my chances. Well, look at the three angles. Notice that they're all obtuse or greater than a 90-degree angle. So just based upon that visual information, I can immediately eliminate B and A, because those are not greater than 90 degrees. So just in a matter of seconds, I improved my chances for guessing the right answer from 25% to 50%. And that's pretty good. But at this point, I have to decide between 100 degrees and 105 degrees. And this is where we get to do the math. We're going to use important information about polygons or geometric shapes. You know that all triangles have the same sum of their angles. It's 180 degrees, right? And if you didn't remember that, it's actually provided on the reference sheet for the SAT test. It's right at the bottom as the last statement. So that's there for you if you're not sure or didn't remember. So whenever you get other polygons, if you're not sure what the sum of the interior angles is, I want to show you a trick. You just start at one of the angles, or one of the vertices. And I'm going to start at that one there, angle A. And you just draw diagonals so you have triangles. So I see there that I have two triangles, right? So the top triangle has those three angles, and the bottom triangle has these three angles. And all those angles are going to add up to give me the angles of the quadrilateral. So I have two triangles, so the sum of all those angles is going to be 2 times 180, which is 360 degrees. And this is a reminder that if you're thinking about quadrilaterals, you can also think of a square or rectangle. So all quadrilaterals have the sum of the interior angles equaling 360 degrees. So at this point, I could just write an equation. I know that 45 degrees, which is angle A, plus 3 times x is going to equal 360. I subtract 45 from both sides. 3x is equal to 315. And I can divide both sides by 3. I can do this in my head, right? We don't need a calculator. I have 105. And what do you know? 105 is answer D. So that's the correct answer. So I wanted to show you an important trick here, which is for polygons, if you're not sure what the sum of the interior angles is, just start at one of the corners or one of the vertices and draw diagonals so that you have triangles that make up that shape, and then multiply 180 by the number of triangles you have, and then you'll have the sum of the interior angles of whatever polygon you have. In this case, I have two triangles, so all those angles add up to 360 degrees. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy and agree that it can save you a lot of time. If you have any questions, suggestions, or requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I always love hearing your guys' thoughts. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they get posted. And I enjoyed working together. I look forward to seeing you next time.